My beloved child, still your spirit for a moment and open your heart wide, for something miraculous is already unfolding. What you have prayed for in silence, what your heart has whispered through tears, is now rising into reality. I am already moving on your behalf, orchestrating events behind the scenes, aligning people, moments, and opportunities in ways far beyond your comprehension. The answers you've been waiting for are not delayed, they are being perfectly arranged according to divine timing. Stand firm, my precious one. Do not lose heart when the battle feels long or when your strength begins to wane. The struggles before you are not random. They are pieces of a divine masterpiece being woven with precision and love. You are not fighting alone. The forces that stand against you are no match for the power that walks beside you. I am the commander of heaven's armies, and I have already dispatched angels to guard, guide, and strengthen you. Every blow meant to break you is being turned into a stepping stone that will lift you higher. When you feel weary and your resolve begins to fade, remember this truth: your weakness is the very place where my strength shines brightest. When your own hands can no longer hold the weight, I carry it for you. When your path grows dark, I light the way with stars only faith can see. Every knot of confusion, every tangled moment of uncertainty, I am loosening them one by one, replacing chaos with clarity and fear with faith. Oh, my beloved, if only you could see how close your breakthrough truly is. What once felt impossible will soon unfold effortlessly under the touch of my power. The doors that seemed sealed shut are already unlocking. The walls that stood before you are trembling and crumbling at the sound of my command. Soon, freedom will flood your spirit like morning light after a long night. You will know joy, real joy that flows not from circumstance, but from the depth of my presence within you. It will rise from your soul like a melody that no darkness can silence. Let go of the need to control every outcome. Release your worries into my hands. I am the calm in the storm, and the light that never fades. I will guide you through the mist, over the waves, and safely to the shore of every promise I've spoken over your life. The moment you surrender your fears is the moment I begin to work wonders beyond imagination. Even in the valleys thick with shadow, even in the places where hope seems dim, you will find me closer than ever, pouring peace into your heart. You are stepping into a season of renewal and divine rebirth. The soil of your spirit has been tilled by trials, but now it will bloom with blessings. As gratitude fills your heart, your eyes will begin to see the extraordinary beauty woven into ordinary days. Every smile, every sunrise, every breath of peace is a gift of my love. Gratitude will open your spirit wider to receive the abundance I've prepared. It is the key that unlocks blessings waiting to overflow. Never stop praying, my child. Prayer is not a ritual, it is the sacred bridge between your heart and mine. Speak to me in honesty and trust. Tell me your dreams, your fears, your doubts, your desires. I am not distant, I am listening. Each prayer, even whispered through weary lips, rises before me like incense. Through prayer, I align your will with mine, so that every step you take moves you closer to your destiny.